husband. Whatever me and him have, when I'm come out to come say to son.
That is it, man. Yo, I don't know what go on with Queenie and Dewey and thing, no, but you don't know. Lady Grabba is a lady who ever come out and trouble Queenie, you know. Like she work with RT or something, you see it for anybody surround it. Anybody say anything about RT, the lady ever come out. I don't know the code already. If you're new around here, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see me? But you don't know Queenie come out today and I say, yo, she burn a fire upon Lady Grabba. You see it? So just go and stay tuned and then forward in the video, but you don't know.
Because a man married to me and don't want me. A man and the woman worse. May I try to save your life? I still don't know something so sick. Lady Grabba come kiss us, man. Me have my own problem. You don't have no problem, and everybody want to leave me the one. You hear that? Allow me. I've been through the valley of the shadow of death. And I'll me give God thanks as I have life. Me not begging on the one woman corner. Allow me. I'm a natural, true, authentic self build me. Not to trouble people. Not to mix up. Me not trouble people. I let them trouble me. Low blood. Leave me, darling. Leave me. Yeah? Low blood. I got you. I still look for me. My mom called me. Big up my mom. And she said, Jay, oh, you not great. I said, Mom, what do you mean by I'm not great? I have gray hair and so. And she said, I'm not gray hair. You're 54. God bless everybody in them own way. Leave me alone, no man. Except for me, because you're that dead fried drunk crop. You hear that? Lady Grabba, you're that fried blood. Leave me alone, no man. You're not good. I still I see a dread on people for nothing, for your opinion. Leave me with my life. And leave me with my husband who don't want me. And give me him name. However it goes, I appreciate every moment, the good, the bad, and the blood clot ugly. Come I'm married for a better earth. And it's not a curse. You hear that? My word is my bond and my loyalty. No can't change my mind. I'm telling you already. Me. Sell out the enough to do it. Me don't know nothing enough to know it. All I do is tapping out, thumping on my blood. My husband. Whatever me and him have, whatever come out to come say to I know. Stop time. If more I hide my time for my hide it now. Leave me. Do something progressive to the world. I've got a lot of potential. A lot of people want to book me. A lot of people want to look me. Leave me. It's not a blood England match. You're bright. I'm telling you, man. You think no man could have clock manage me? My power, me too powerful and real. The black I'm telling you, man. What you want me to prove to yourself that for that? I your internet mattress. Anybody can take you to sell your soul. For your cost me. You think nobody can pay me for cost nobody? Me ask you something. And after when me and my husband have things me and I said, oh, stunt. Me a real life, me a family, me a blood. I have me a ark, me a ark. I have that hide Lady Grabba, me a hide. Me a flat life, dirty woman, me have a whole heap of personal blood issue. Where the internet don't interfere with and don't have a clue. You know, woman. Woman, love. That's why I know I'm in a school internet, you know. Because I'm telling you something. A whole heap of people out there tear me down, you know. But internet world, me a queen, all right. It's all good when someone come and tell me. But if I'm leave me alone, don't dictate my life to my lady. The one that we have problems are issue. Love me, lady. Leave me alone. Apart from a fender now, man. I mean, making all go through menopause. Love me, darling. I let you one year, man. We are fried drunk. Eh? You grudge me, and through them fry you. And I mean, make your drunk Lady Grabba. Got me, woman, after you love now. When I think me can't come over here, come cuss. And they on TikTok, I don't give a. I mean, make no phone, you can't come talk. I'm a for flat, me, said trend. Sometimes the words that come out of my people go, so I really queen that. No, can't erase some of those. 7 times rather than 7 times. But rather, man, me at 54. I mean, it's not a war. You no money in my going on blood like that. I don't know, sit down and fabricate. Better try from my chest and nasty that girl. Go ahead. Move out. I want old young people. Go and leave that man. If you can't give £5,000, you can't chat to me. Go ahead. And that me about. We don't know crab in a barrel, non-pregnant self every day. No one get up. Forget audience and contents of a people. How you call in England mattress? Who you chat to? Your girl. And I said, I come talk about my flat. Flat me. Come in and put on eye shoes and handbag and eyeshadow and eyelash, cockroach eyelash. And I remember flap. Come in and go better every week. I do my hair. I never know some I can't be natural. Yeah, my flap. I'm not now going for me. I'm a pop down. I'm 54. I'm going to give God thanks for every score I have. I'm not grudge nobody for nothing. Pop down with life. I have my pop up with life. Nothing fears me, nothing about that. Me all I know where I'm me and a bantan me. The whole line of corruption in our hand. That's me. All the way. I'm gonna answer me and go. I don't know lie, me I tell you no go man, me have enough to know. Me play the song for Cartel. Oh, so I did say Cartel and Cartel this and Cartel that. Say alright, me I show you me. What wanna chat about? Is that a figure of speech? I'm gonna take Cartel bomb and literally lick it. Move the thing on the one think on a think. Me name all the shit too. Move. Me not beg and talk. Me want name some shit come up. People like Uno. Like Uno for say I go to me kick and say crazy and gonna good vibes. All I know, oh, she not happy now. She just put her the best. Look best so you see I make it be a bless. Doing what me do to you. Are you want? Cause are you married? Already know why me give me that honor for married to me. Big up Mr. Scarlett. And I got clap me. Hop off for me now. Well, fix me the hard to fix. We can't put on bin